Hey there, welcome to Violet's DIY Style. I'm Violet. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. So today I wanted to share with you how I made these beautiful glam Easter decor pieces using Dollar Tree items. It can even easily be fit into a little girl's room or even a Victorian style decor piece. So the first one we're going to be making is this big, large Easter egg. And all I did was grab one of the plastic Easter eggs that you can get from Dollar Tree. And this is not the largest that I've seen there, but it was the largest one that I saw when I went. So I went ahead and got the largest one I got. And then I just added some glue around the rim of the top part of the Easter egg and then just simply attached the egg back together. And that way I won't have to worry about it falling apart or opening up. So next what I did was grab a little bit of baking soda and then some of this really pretty ballerina colored pink that I've been using and loving for Easter. And I did add a little bit of white as well. I thought I wanted to go ahead and just add a little bit of gold also to see if I could get some shimmer into my pink. It really didn't work that much, but I did try it. So what I did after I mixed everything up together, I went ahead and just started painting my Easter egg. So I just gave it one really good coat on the top part, let it dry, and then did the same thing to the bottom part. And then once everything was completely dry, I went ahead and gave it a second coat. You can give it as many coats as you like, depending on how thick the painting of the egg you want it or how much texture you want really, since you do add baking soda to this paint. So just go ahead and give it a really good even coat. As you can see, when it's clear, it does give it a really good even coat just with one brush or one coat of it, one layer. So once I was done again, I just started painting the bottom, and here you can see that I did try to add that gold in there to see if I could get some shimmer into it, but it really just basically painted right through it. But once it did dry, it gave it more of a blush pink color. So it did turn out really pretty. I liked it anyway. So you might want to go ahead and give it a try and add that gold in there if you like more of that blush color. So once I gave it 2 good coats, I just go ahead and let it all completely dry. Then I just chose a ribbon, and I just wanted to keep it simple. So I chose a larger, thicker white ribbon, and this isn't even wired ribbon. This is just the normal white ribbon. And then I made a simple bow right in the center of my Easter egg. You can customize this and make it with different colors, or even make it even farmhouse with some jute twine or nautical rope as the bow as well. So once you're done and you're happy with the way the bow turned out, just go ahead and cut all the extra pieces of the ribbon and just make sure those tails look nice and clean. This would be really adorable as a gift as well. So next, after I was done with the Easter egg, I wanted something, to pop up, something a little bit higher to add as with the decoration of my Easter egg. So what I decided to do was get 2 of these domes that you can get from Dollar Tree, and then these tea light candle holders. These are the largest or the tallest ones you can find there, but they do have a variety of different sizes. So what I did was just add some permanent glue and hot glue around the rim, the top rim of my tea light candle holder, flipped it over to the bottom of my dome, and just attached it, allowed everything to dry. And then I decided to spray paint mine silver with the Rust-Oleum silver, and just the bottom part. So while that was drying, I went ahead and grabbed one of these bags of crystals, or these are the little diamonds from Dollar Tree, added some permanent glue, just a little dot, and then some hot glue around the top of the dome, just to put a little handle on top of my little dome. Just make sure you do hold onto that diamond so it can be nice and straight right on the top. So I decided to go ahead and make a second one, and I just got one of the smaller candle holders and put it underneath on the dome as well, and spray painted it silver too. So while the second one was drying, I went ahead and grabbed my little diamonds from Dollar Tree again and just started gluing them around the rim of my cloche or dome, right? And I just gave it one good layer, and I used hot glue for this part. You could use some permanent glue if you like, but the hot glue worked just fine since it was plastic, and plastic, I think that's why it adhered very well, but it works just fine with a hot glue. But again, if you don't feel comfortable just using hot glue, go ahead and get some permanent glue as well. Then just take your time and make sure they all stand up nice and even. and just continue adding your little diamonds around the rim of each one of these. I thought this was so pretty, and this can easily be used all year round, just depending on what kind of decoration you put inside your little cloche. But you can easily use this even on a dresser or a makeup stand, something like that. It would look really, really pretty as well. So I know this one, this little project right here, I'll be using quite a bit in different areas of my home. And that's the best part of when you do things that are budget friendly. I always try to see if I can use them or rearrange them, different ways to use them year round. So once everything was nice and dry, all I did was add some little Easter eggs in there. And this is the way it all looks, nice and complete. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up again and share with friends and family. Until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.